You're going to be asked a question, find the domain of the function. Now, if we look at this function, we see it's a rational function because it has a fraction that has a variable in the denominator. Now, what we know about fractions is you cannot have a denominator that equals 0. Now, I don't mean x. X here can equal 0 because that would give you -2 in your denominator. I'm saying that this whole x minus 2 cannot equal 0. So if we're going to find the domain, now remember, domain means all the x values. So if we're going to find the domain of this function, we have to say it's limited, and we have to say that x minus 2 cannot equal 0. So to solve this, we're going to set the denominator x minus 2 equal to 0, and we're going to find out exactly what value of x will make this whole denominator 0. And we solve for x here in this equation, and we see x is 2. If x is the value of 2, we're going to have 2 minus 2. And that will give you 0. So therefore, you can have any value of x you want to show here, but all real numbers, but you cannot have the value of x equals 2. And in order to show this, I'm going to go ahead first and show it in set builder notation. It's all real numbers except 2, and that's set builder notation. Now we're going to show this as an integral number. Now, the one thing the textbook does not show you is how to use the number line to help you find the interval notation. We're going to go ahead and draw the number line, and we're going to plot the point 2. And we're on the number line, and we're going to show the empty circle. It cannot be the number 2, but it can be every other real number but 2. So we can't show interval notation just from negative infinity to infinity because we can't include the number 2. So you're going to show everything to the right of the number 2 and everything to the left of the number 2. So interval notation, we always start on the left. So you're going to get a negative infinity, comma, and you're going to go up to the number 2, but you're not going to include it. So you're going to say 2 with the parentheses, so you know you've got the 2, but it's not being included. Now you're going to look to the right of the 2, and the leftmost place to the right of the 2 there is going to be the 2, showing the parentheses that it's not included, and all the way to the right is going to be infinity. And in order to show that it's both of these together, you have the notation of union, and that is your answer. This is the end of the video.